So here it is, the compact playstand for the Nintendo Switch. Let me show you from the back. Multi-angle, portable, foldable, durable stand for Switch. Literally, yes. Now let me open it. Okay, and then here we go. Let me see how we can make it stand. I have no idea. Maybe something like this. I'm not sure, to be honest with you. Okay, and then how how it's going to stand. Okay, okay, like this. I got it. I now I get it. How it's going to stand like this. Put your Nintendo Switch here. You can charge your Nintendo Switch. There are multiple angles like this. Also, wow. I'm take off the Joy-Con and start playing. Did I just turn on my Nintendo Switch? Yes. Wow. This is something awesome. This is something literally awesome. I'm really happy with it. Yeah. So it was me, Jimmy. Okay, make sure to subscribe, and then I can easily recommend this one. Check out the link in the description box below. Subscribe.
ولا أقوى على نار الجحيم الله فهب لي